Kung hindi ngayon, baka bukas. Kung hindi bukas, baka next week. Kung hindi pa next week, baka next month. At kung hindi pa next month, baka next year. Ang importante, naniniwala at kumikilos ka. Hindi naman yan paunahan eh. Ang mahalaga, umuusad ka at may tamang oras para sa'yo. And if it doesn't happen the way you wanted, it will happen in a better way than you imagined. Remember, that's the beauty of God's plan. He knows better than us. He knows everything. Be patient and thanks God.